Hi everyone, this is NB. In this video, we are going to learn about looping statements, especially for loop and range function. A for loop is used to repeat a statement or a sequence of statements more than one time. For example, if you want to print numbers from 1 to 100. In general, if you don't know looping statements, we will print those numbers like print 1, print 2, so on, print 100. We can simplify this using for loop. Before going to simplify, we will see about range function. Range function returns a list of numbers from starting number to ending number with an incremental value. The parameters for range function are starting number, ending number, incremental value. For example, range of 1, 10, 2, which returns 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 is the starting number, 10 is the ending number. Every time it iterates, it adds plus 2 to the before number. For the first iteration, it takes 1 and add to the list, and next it adds 2 to the before number. 1 plus 2, which is 3. 2 plus 3, which is 5. 5 plus 2, which is 7, and so on 9. When 2 is added to 9, which is 11, which is beyond 10, which doesn't include 11 in the list. So how we use this range function in for loop? The basic syntax of a for loop is for variable I in range of 1 to 101. Why we have written 101? By default, range function ignores the last number. If you write 1 to 100, it iterates from 1 to 99. And I haven't specified incremental value because I want 1 as an incremental value. By default, range function takes an incremental value of 1. If you want to specify that incremental value other than 1, you need to supply another parameter as incremental value. For example, 3. Now, after execution of this for loop, you will get numbers ranging from 1 to 101, 1, 4, 7, 10, so on. This is all about theoretical knowledge. Now go to practical work. Let's write an example for printing 1 to 100 numbers using for loop. Execute it. So the values 1 to 100 are printed here. If you want to change the incremental value, try changing the incremental value. Let's say the incremental value is 3. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, so on. You can use a negative incremental value also. For example, if you want to print 100 to 1, with incremental value minus 2. See, 100, 98, 96, so on, 6, 4, 2. In this way, we can print numbers ranging from one number to another number, or you can repeat a statement with a specific number of times. So today's problem is read an integer n from the user and print numbers ranging from 0 to n, including n, in the same line. I have given sample test case here. Follow this test case and try to print the output. If you enjoy this video, sub to the channel would be amazing.